Well, I'm driving along Paw Paw Drive. They've got Paw Paw Park completely closed off because it's entirely flooded. That's the Macatawa River, the Black River. I'm getting ready to go over the bridge. Up ahead of me, the roadway, the river is all the way over the top of the roadway. But you can see here how close it is up underneath the bridge. Look at that. It's right up underneath the roadway here. Yee! Just down about 50 meters there is where you launch a canoe or a kayak. I'd kind of like to be able to put my kayak in there today. Look at all the sediment coming down. It's like chocolate milk. Completely flooded the woods over here. Now you can see where it's up even over the roadway. Pretty amazing. This is the highest the water's been since that big storm in June of 2008, I guess. Wow.